Today, we will solve another tricky question on the applications of HCF. These questions are very important for examination. So, please watch the complete video. A shopkeeper has 84 apples, 126 oranges, and 210 bananas for equal distribution among children. Find the maximum number of children and the fruits received by each children. Step 1. Find the maximum number of children. Observe, since the fruits are to be shared or distributed equally, we need to find the HCF of 84, 126 and 210. This is an example for equal distribution. Let us find the HCF using common division method or ladder method. Start dividing 84, 126 and 210 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides all the integers exactly, we get 42, 63 and 105. Again, start dividing 42, 63 and 105 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide all the integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides all the integers exactly, we get 14, 21 and 35. Again, start dividing 14, 21 and 35 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide all the integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 does not divide all the integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 5. Since 5 does not divide all these integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 7. Since 7 divides all these integers exactly, we get 2, 3 and 5. Stop here, since no other prime number can divide 2, 3 and 5 simultaneously. Finally, multiply all the common prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 3 and 7. So, HCF of 84, 126 and 210 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 gives you 42. Therefore, the maximum number of children are 42. Got it? Step 2. Find the fruits received by each child. We know that the maximum number of children are 42. So, total apples divided by number of children. That is 84 divided by 42 gives you 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Therefore, each child gets 2 apples. Similarly, total oranges divided by number of children. That is 126 divided by 42 gives you 3 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Therefore, each child gets 3 oranges. Similarly, total bananas divided by number of children. That is 210 divided by 42 gives you 5 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Therefore, each child gets 5 bananas. Final answer: the maximum number of children are 42. Each children gets 2 apples, 3 oranges and 5 bananas. Observe, nothing is left over. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more advanced questions, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist. Thank you.